In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can install Google Mail on your desktop. So you're going to go to google.com, then you're going to select this little app icon, right? Then you're going to select Gmail, ensure that Gmail opens up. Then you're going to select the menu icon at the top. Then you're going to scroll down and search for more tools. Then you're going to select apps and then select install this site as an app. Select install Gmail. Here I'm going to select create desktop shortcut and auto login on device, then select allow. Now this option was done using the Edge browser. Now let's take a look at how you can use Google Chrome. So you're going to ensure that you select the apps icon again, select Gmail. Then you're going to select the menu icon. Then you're going to scroll down to cast, saved, and share. Then you're going to select install this page as an app. Select install to continue. Now when I go to my desktop, you'll see two shortcut apps. One was done using Edge and one was done using Google Chrome. So if I launch this, it will open a desktop mail app. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.